It's the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel.
Hello, welcome to the Mike Stars, the most amazing traveling and baking YouTube channel. Today we are going to make barbecue sauce. Before we start, we urge you to support us by subscribing. Let's grow the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Enjoy and keep up with us. Welcome. Let's prepare our ingredients. First of all, we are going to cut the pineapple, tomatoes, carrots and hoho into small pieces. Then slice the onion and grate the ginger and garlic. Let's do this. We are going to preheat the oil, then add onions and cook it until it turns to golden brown. The onion is well cooked. It's good and done. Let's now add the garlic, the grated garlic and ginger. And then stir. Then the 2 pieces of beef cubes. And then stir. Next, add tomatoes. And stir properly. Then wait for it to cook and soften. The tomatoes are cooked. Add 2 cups of water or stock, but in our case you are going to use plain water. Allow it to boil and simmer before adding your carrots, pineapples, and hoho. At this point, we are going to add the pineapples, carrots, and paprika, and then stir. Then cover and wait for it to boil and cook properly. Season it with salt to taste. It's at this point whereby you can still add pepper and dark soy sauce, but for us we shall just use salt to taste. But still I'm a fan of pepper, I'll use it later on. Let's wait for it to cook. Our barbecue sauce is ready. You can serve as it is or cool it down, grate it properly, then store it for later use. We are going to cool it down and blend. The barbecue sauce is ready and well blended. Now you can have a taste.
It looks so yummy. Wow.
Let's have the taste.
Put more.
Which one more?
Yes. Full of it.
Let's have a taste. It's very soft, sweet. You can feel different tastes: pineapple, salt, ginger, garlic, and for me, I like chilies or pepper. Let me just mix and enjoy. Fantastic. It's all good. Yes, try it at home and share your views. We have come to the end. As we conclude, I must highlight that barbecue sauce is best taken with roasted beef, pilau, pork, fries, and other kind of foods. However, if you are that kind of person who doesn't care much about the combinations like me, you can take it with other kind of foods like veggies, mokimo, and so on. As long as you love it and you like it, go ahead and have it. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's meet next time as we do something else. Let's get the paprika.